Gideon. Gideon, look, Bubby. Oh. Gideon's grouchy this morning. There's Mamaw.
He ain't cool.
There's Mom. Mamaw, look real quick. You're looking in the mirror.
Well, where you want me to look, Amber?
Well, wait. No, but she could.
I can't turn around.
Real quick, before the car, when the cars wasn't there, you could have. Mom,
I'll be at the stop sign, fool.
explain what we're doing today. Well, Mom's camera shy.
Yes, I am. Penny.
We're going shopping. We got about $5,000 to spend today. Cheese.
He wants a picture.
Cheese. Smile.